We have agreed.
How you do like that?
Hold it. Thank you.
National Salam! Free! Done! Out! Show that out! Marisa, guard of honor, level of sun, and 110 soldiers of praise. May I have the permission to carry on with the rest of the parade? Your Excellency.
Give me more. Give me one. Take one.
Sorry, I'm doing
One. Okay, one, yeah.
Sunday. I beg, I'm doing live. Watch him. Very great man. I'm following you.
Let's go. We have to look for artificial means to do something. How do I people? They are still recovering. So sometimes if a mother and child, most mothers will not run and leave their children. Yes, so it affected a lot of them in the bid to save their children. So all of them moved with their children. So we have multiple, and most time when you see a mother and a child, the husband is gone. So the husbands ensure that the family moved. So most men lost their own lives. Some of them took 4 units of blood, 6 units, and multiple units. So if you have started at 4 points, it means that we also have serious problems because you have to join the intestines at those points. So even when you survive, your lifestyle has to be adjusted. Targeted the lungs, you know where to kill. Then you go for the lungs or the heart. So if you want to match it, you go for the jugular, the major supply to the brain. So like this one, you have major lung injury. Sometimes you have to remove one lung. You can't fix it in surgery. So we're going to assess them for rehabilitation. That baby, they killed the mother and 3 children. So the baby was brought as an orphan. Then lucky enough, one of the survivors identified that the father is still alive. So we were able to trace the father to reunite the family. So that's 54. The males are on the other one. So these are mother and children. Going to the other one. It's okay. So for each of them that you see, they either lost a wife or children. For every survivor you see, the survivor has lost somebody. Definitely. Every survivor you see, like this one lost his wife. Everyone has their story. That one survived once. Because they opened the doors, they set the houses on fire, they stood in front, so some burnt inside. Then some ran through the windows and the streets. So they are still assessing the number of deaths because some stayed where they had their banks, where they had their food items. So when they didn't set on fire, the banks fell on them. So they took time to put away to assess the actual number. So this one had surgery to remove pellets from the ginger. They had staff in this one, all the multiple windows. Like multiple windows. Or the waste on the other side. So you see this one, means that he has lost the father and the mother, the son. So their care has to be given after marriage. The government has to do after the family. Which is because you cannot get themselves some of this. The position of the government.
Our father, our leader, our president. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, Green Brown, CFR, Deputy President of the Senate, and other members of the National Assembly governors here present, the National Chairman of our Green Party, and our father and leader, Chiefs, the Speaker of the Benue State House of Assembly, the Chief Judge of the Benue State, Honorable Justice Morris Ikwambisi, my Lord President, Customary Court of Capacity of the APC Board, the Chief of Staff, the Executive Governor of Benue State, Right Honorable Paul Biam, His Royal Majesty Professor James Yoswell Judges of High Court of American Court of Appeal, Chairman, members of statutory commissions and boards, President. Your Royal Highness, the first and second class chief. It is a very solemn day for us. Without much ado, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the father of our land. Please, if you don't mind, we'll put our hands together for our royal father. That's the heart of a crowd.
This way.